Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Warhammer YouTube video. So right now we're going to be opening some meteors, and we'll be jumping right into opening the chest, and then right after we'll have an AR battle right underneath the F-22 model aircraft. So let's see, we got forgot to unlock this one. We'll begin. Not now. Return. Let's go claim. Here's the chest. We got Warlord shorts, 100 of them. Sigmar 15 of them. 250 realm stones. Alright, WEIRDNOB SHAMAN. Couple cards. More guys harbinger. Nice. And an epic card, MASQUE of SLAANESH. Cool. Yeah, awesome. So let's go back to turn. Let's go jump on this AR battle. It is a pre-play video. I'm just gonna go ahead and click watch replay and see my battle. So let's select AR. Scan our surface. Here we go. Boom. F-22 AR battle. Fighting the F-22s. Let's go. Pink horrors to defend our gate so he doesn't activate it right away. There we go. That's good as death right now. And I'm gonna start selecting my push so I can activate my gate as well. See that you're not happy, mister. Alright. There we go. Teleport right away because he needs to put that on. Now we can kill his push. He's gonna go through. Yep, he went through. It's alright. It's 2 for 2 right now. I think I have the advantage right now. I'll use my warrior out here on the left. I'll use my boink to jump all the way and activate the gate. As soon as I jump, he's gonna kill it because there's big horrors and he's got an activate right there. So it's gonna die right away. But we'll prevent him from getting that gate. Of course, he'll get it now. Just push, make that push. Now all I'll do is just defend. I'll put my that thing all the way on the left right now. Go. You can do a little bit of damage for the spirits. Join. I'm gonna freeze his Gatkin so I can kill his. Go just like that. Looking fine. Isn't that awesome? AR mode. I love that feature of this game. It's one of my favorite things to do is watch my battle as AR mode. There we go.
1 minute remaining.
Up for a push. He's gonna get a gate activation pretty soon on the left. So he's got 2 already. I'm not gonna be worrying too much about it. I'm just gonna try to defend this push. Because he took one of my shields right now. So what I'm gonna try to do is set up my wargrot, freeze him at the end. That should be game over. Aerial view. There we go. That's game over. Take the chest. There we go. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.